We went in earlier today. There must be like files corrupted or something. Turns out the person was correct. I did have some files that were corrupted. How it was explained to me, I had one file that was like, the gigabyte amount was like more than my computer could handle in and of itself. It literally was too big for my MacBook, and it was on my MacBook. That was 98% of the issue right there, was that one file. My laptop is 1 terabyte. That file itself, over 800 gigabytes. He ended up going through and deleting the corrupted file. I was able to install the 5 terabyte that I got yesterday. Literally shaking. Somebody noticed me.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know what I should go on. Don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go. Cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go.
Okay. I have to ask. Alright, do you mind if I open the door? Thank you much. Alright, just gonna use an alcohol swab real quick. Is right shoulder fine?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Yeah, if you just want to hold that up for me. Alrighty, dear, you ready?
Yep.
Perfect. Alrighty, quick poke. Alrighty, let me get a band-aid on you. You guys are all set. I'm gonna shut this door. Yeah, no problem.
Thanks.
Hi, this is me before going to bed the same day I got my vaccine. It took a couple hours, 4 to 5 hours after I got the vaccine for it to kind of start to make my body just a little bit like achy, sore, whatever. And then by the time I was getting ready for bed, I realized like this is sore and achy. I just recommend that if you are getting the vaccine, any vaccine, whatever one it is, I just recommend you give yourself a little bit of leeway. I'm probably going to be resting up the next couple days. It is Sunday, April 11th, 2021. I'm just going to end this vaccine experience, whatever you want to call it, vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.